Alright, here's a classic problem. Find the kth largest element in an array, but here's the twist. Can we do it without sorting the whole thing? Sorting would work, sure, but that's n log n. The key insight? We don't need to track all the elements in order, we just need to maintain a window of the k biggest ones we've seen so far. And the tool for that job? A min heap of size k. Trust me, once you see how this works, you'll love it. First things first, we import Heap, Python's built-in heap module. Here's the thing, Python only gives us a min heap, meaning the smallest element is always on top. And that's actually perfect for what we're about to do, even though we're looking for the kth largest. Sounds counterintuitive, right? Stick with me. We define our function taking the array and k, then create an empty list that'll serve as our min heap. Think of this heap like a VIP section at a club. It's only gonna hold the k biggest elements we've encountered. Everyone else gets bounced out. Super simple setup, right? Now we loop through every number in the array and push it onto our min heap. Every single number gets a chance to enter our VIP section. We're basically saying, hey, come on in, let's see if you deserve to stay among the top k elements. The heap automatically keeps things organized so the smallest value floats to the top. And this is the key insight right here. If our heap grows bigger than k, we pop the smallest element off the top. Watch what happens. By always kicking out the smallest, we guarantee that only the k largest elements survive in the heap. It's like a bouncer at the door saying, sorry, you're too small, you gotta go. Beautiful, right? After we've processed every number, our heap contains exactly the k largest elements from the array. And since it's a min heap, the smallest of those k largest elements is sitting right at index 0, that's our kth largest element. One simple return and we're done. No sorting the entire array needed. Let's talk complexity. We process n elements, and each heap push or pop is O log k, since the heap never exceeds size k. That gives us O n log k time, which beats O n log n, sorting when k is small. Space is O k for the heap. Here's your takeaway. Whenever you need the kth largest or smallest of anything, think min heap of size k. It's one of those patterns that shows up everywhere once you know to look for it.